one son, we get up dance skip last night and boom blam son. You know, and she lose her son, so we have that personal experience there. But when you talk about change, you need change on a political, social, and an economical scale right across the board. Because things just are going on about, you need to change.
Yeah, man, the country was rough, like sandpaper.
Country, yeah, and abroad, international and global.
The world.
So change, we have to say, rhetorically, that is a universal language right now. Change right across the board.
Yes,
see?
we like that. Some positive from
all of the artists in the music fraternity are endorse change right now. Super Hyper said change right now. Suncity has said change right now. The whole of us so has said change. Kingston City change.
Who's your biggest influence?
Right now, fire. The whole of them inspire eyes.
Yeah.
Personally still, you know Bob Marley from that time. Cause Bob had one gang, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you have enough other youth with intellect saying I'm very influential in my career. We them two want get named because we don't want left out no one and then I want to go feel away. But all of the artists them in the fraternity inspire Zion I. Big up Exile music.
Yeah,
one of the main inspirer, yeah man.
Yeah,
I'm a brother that.
Exile.
Yeah man, I'm a brother that man. Now you fire over so.
And where did you get that name, Zion?
Well Zion well you see it now, check it out. Because you have physical and spiritual manifestation, you know. You have Zion in the physical and you have Zion in the spiritual. Now I am a living embodiment of Zion in the physical.
Yeah.
See, because we embody the doings of Zion. When you talk about Zion, you talk about upfulness, righteousness, love.
Yeah.
You know.
I like that word, upful.
Upful.
Yeah.
Up top. Yes, I am.
Up top.
True. I just said that.
Like the vibes there.
Yeah man. So Zion is the spiritual, physical manifestation of the spiritual Zion.
And you have music out there that people can go and download.
Most naturally, man. Big up Sister Nadine Sutherland who gave me a strength and the single before this one entitled Remedy. You know, you can get that one upon iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, all of them social, all of them music media outlet and stuff. And Remedy, we did Remedy and we did These Streets, and then we did Take Me. They're all on the music media outlets. You know, ZYONI.
Nice.
ZYONI. And if you want to reach me on social media, social media handle, you know, say ZYON_I right across the board.
Straight.
I only pass Zion in, but there's only one I. There I see. That's not my I.
To the something about it. People will like on the radio right now.
Big up Super Hype and Suncity, you know.
Right
give
now,
thanks to the love and the strength, you know.
And if you want to WhatsApp me, it's 1-876-392-6217 right now. WhatsApp me, you can talk to the artist, you know how it is. We're live on the radio right now. Peeps, of course I'm going to drop back this song. You don't know. And then we're going to talk to, we have some more artists now. Boy, the place turn up today. We're not drop the catch today.
Lit life is loud.
Yeah.
Big up Suncity, Super Hype, Third Eye Entourage, Zion I Music, Zion I represent.
Remind them how to follow you. And then I want to introduce the song one more time. Come here and drop it again. You know.
Lit life. Hear me and Cinnamon. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You know all of them social media, something there. Alright, so watch you now. ZYON_I, right? That's it, the right cross social media. Same. And you know you can link me in email zionimusic@yahoo.com. ZYONImusic@yahoo.com. You see me on daily. You don't know 104.9 FM Suncity. We're there with Super Hype. Yeah. Dying for a change. Every day another ghetto youth get shot. And we're dying for a change. 7 o'clock news. You hear our next one? I'm in to tell them we've had enough. Them stop the war, we would be glad enough. Too much bagging up and tagging up. On the wall, brain splashing up. Tell them about it, Super High.
Yeah, right now, change. Like what they read the Zion right now, people. Let's go and tune in. This one is fresh. Let's go. And ladies, if you're stressed out, let's drink some coke.